When we finish roasting the beans every day, pull out the collection tank and use a vacuum cleaner to clean the silver skin and dust. Then remove the roast residue collection tank and clean it too. After cleaning, put it back and fix it firmly. Open the rear panel of the roaster. Remove the first screws on the lower baffle, and then take off the lower baffle. Then remove the vent baffle. First, you need to remove its 6 screws. Clean in and around pipes with a vacuum cleaner. After cleaning, put the vent baffle back and tighten the 6 screws. Put the lower baffle back and tighten the first screws.